In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on Android phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do is it might be a firmware regression for the Google Play system update or conflicts with new randomized Mac softwares. So what you want to go ahead and do is firstly go over to your settings application. So we're going to go there right now. Then go to connections or network and internet, and then just go over to internet or Wi-Fi in my instance. Now tap the gear icon next to your Wi-Fi network. So I'm going to tap mine right now, and then look for privacy or MAC address type. Now you're going to see a lot of different things. If you don't see it, press view more, and then go ahead and scroll down, and where it says MAC address type, you want to make sure that you change it from used randomized MAC to use phone MAC. When you use that, it says using your phone's MAC address may allow your connection or your location to be tracked. Then turn Wi-Fi off and then back on, and then it should now stay detected. Now, what you could also do is just reset your Wi-Fi settings. So I'm going to go back to randomize back for now, then go back, and then go over and go to system once you're in your settings. So go ahead and find system, but it might be towards the bottom. And then all you want to go ahead and do is just reset your mobile settings